नमस्कार दोस्तों, स्वागत है आप सभी लोगों का सोनू स्टडी क्लासेस यूट्यूब चैनल में। दोस्तों मैं आप लोगों को एनसीईआरटी बुक क्लास 9th इंग्लिश चैप्टर 1 द लास्ट चाइल्ड पर क्वेश्चन आंसर मैं आप लोगों को इस वीडियो में बताऊंगा। क्वेश्चन नंबर 1, व्हाट आर द थिंग द चाइल्ड सी ऑन हिज वाई टू द फेयर, वाई डज ही लैग बिहाइंड। आंसर नंबर 1, द चाइल्ड सेंस ए नंबर of interesting things on his way to the fair. Firstly, he saw twice lined up at a shop. When he saw a flowering mustard filled with cement like gold in the fields, the child also saw colorful dragon flies, better place fluttering their wings and with sucking nectar. Then, while walking on the footpath, he was the insect and worm crawling. When he entered the grove, he could hear and see doves cooing. As he neared the village, he saw whole crowd going to the fair. The child also come across sweetmeat seller selling sweet like burfi and gulab jamun, and a flower seller who was selling a garland of gulmohar. Further ahead, he saw a man selling rainbow color balloons. He also saw a snake charmer who attempted playing a flute to a snake. Finally, before losing track of his parents, he saw a roundabout swing. The child often keeps lagging behind his parents on the way, and his mother and father have to constantly call him so that he does not lag behind. This is because the child is lured by all the things he sees on his way. Sometimes he stops to be too busy toys, and at other times he stops to admire the beauty of the nature, collecting flower, catching butterfly. Question number 2, at the fair he want many things. What are they? Why does he move on without waiting for an answer? Answer number 2, the child many things in fair. They are toys and balloons, sweets like burfi from the sweets meat seller, garland of gulmohar flower, attracted by the snake charmer, play flute to a snake, a ride in the roundabout swing. The boy moved on without waiting for an answer because he knew that his parents would not fulfill his request and would be whinnied at each stop. Question number 3. When does he realize that he has lost his why? How have his anxiety and insecurity when described. Answer number 3. He stopped at the round bolt and want to sip on a ride. He observed it swing with men, women, and children enjoying themselves on it, and suddenly realizes that he has lost his way watching keenly, and that he is when he realized that they were not there. He looked all around, but there was no sign of them. That's rolled down from his ears and started running in all directions, looking for his parents. His yellow turban was until and his clothes because until he was scamming and was scared by the look of the happy man around. Question number 4. Why does the lost child lost interest in the things that he had wanted earlier? Answer number 4. The lost child lost his interest in all the things that he had wanted earlier because he was frightened on being separated from his parents in the crowd. Him aim was to find and be with them. All the things that fascinated him in the fair no longer attract to him, and now the only things that matters in is feeding his parents. Question number 5. What do you think happens in the end? Does the child find his parents? Answer number 5. The ending of the story in open for us to decide. At the end, the parents who continuously make sure that he was with them right from the beginning of their journey may have suddenly realized that he was missing and come looking for the lost child. The helpful man who tried to console the little boy by offering him various things at the fair may have also asked him for the description of his parents and helped him to be reunited with him at the fair रिसेप्शन. अगर वीडियो अच्छी लगी तो वीडियो को लाइक करें, शेयर करें, कमेंट करें और नेक्स्ट वीडियो के लिए चैनल को सब्सक्राइब जरूर करें. थैंक यू फॉर वॉचिंग.